Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the new Milani Gilded Terra eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested, keep watching. Let's do this. Alright guys, so let's start reviewing. This is the new Milani Gilded Terra eyeshadow palette. It has 15 shades in this palette. It has a large mirror. I was impressed with their Gilded Jewel palette, so that's why I picked this one up. And I'm pretty impressed with this one too. The formula was absolutely beautiful. As you can see, there's I did a green eyeshadow look, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The shades work very wonderful together. The mattes were pigmented. You do have a lot of fallout, but you could work with that. Just clean it up. This is, you could do green eye look. You have a lot of oranges right here, browns, some copper tones. You have some purples, pinks, and a gold. And then you have this this white bone color, and then a nice highlighter color also. So it's a very pretty palette. I'm going to do some swatches for you. I'm going to do the first 5 shades swatched. Be Road to Nowhere, which is a pretty brown shade. Then you're gonna have Take a Hike. Then you'll have Slow Burn. Then you'll have Weekender and Unplugged, which is the lighter shade. So it's like a bone shade. Let me lift my sleeve up more so I have some more room. So the next 5 shades, we're going to have Glamping. Then we'll have Spruce Up. Then we have Sage Advice. Look how pretty that green color is. And then we'll have No Filter. And Bloom. The next 5 shades, we're going to have Belief. You have Branch Out, Like a Moss, Good to Grow, and then Enjoy the View. So these are all the shades swatched. So that is the Milani Gilded Terra eyeshadow palette. I'll show it to you one more time. And this is the shades. There's 15 shades. I did complete this green eyeshadow look that I absolutely love. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I also picked up some of their new items. This is the Cheek Kiss Cream Blush. This one is in Coral Crush. I absolutely loved it. It is a cream product, but it did not disturb my other makeup. It gave me that like really nice flush look. I don't know how the longevity of it, but I really liked it. Using it today. This is the shade. It is very intense color, so you could actually blend it down to however you want it to be. I really loved it. That is the shade I use. It's called Coral Crush, and it just gave me that nice rosy cheek. I loved it. I also picked up 2 of their Color Fetish lipsticks. This one is in 120 Lingerie. I'll show you. Real pretty. I am not wearing these today because I didn't think it looked good with the eye look that I chose. But I will let y'all know. I will wear them and let y'all know the longevity and give y'all. And then this one is 120 Fantasy. That one right there. Very pretty, very pretty. All right, so let's get started. Let's get started on this. I'll show y'all how I got this eye look. All right, y'all. Y'all ready? Ready, set, eyes. All right, let's get ready and let's play with this palette. So first, I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Road to Nowhere. I'm just going to create a little dimension. And I was trying to use as much shade as I could to see how this performed. So I'm just going to lightly tap it, and then I'm going to just buff it in or blend it in. I'm using those upward blending strokes. I just want to use this shade to give my eye the dimension of my natural shape. And I'm going high because I'm going to do like a half a cut crease, so I don't want to have to use any kind of micellar water or something to remove that eyeshadow, because I don't like to use the concealer on top of an eyeshadow. Once I get that blended how I want to be, I'm going to go right in with the dark shade, the darkest green shade in this palette, which is this one. It's called Belief. And I'm going to pick up a small E45 Sigma brush. And I'm going to use that. I'm kind of just going to create a V on the end and then blend it inward. So I'm just going to lightly touch that color in the area that I want it to be and then shape it. And I'm going to bring it all the way into my crease. I think I'm going to pick up a pencil brush. This one is from the Makeup Institute. It's S201, and I'm going to take that same shade and try to work that in there. Yeah, that one's applying it much better. It's not really blending right now. I just want to place that color. Then I'll go back in with the Sigma brush and I will go on top of that color and lightly blend it in. So once I get it to where I want it, I'm going to pick up this shade right here. It's called Like a Moss. It's a really dark, pretty shade. And I'm going to use that on my outer V. And I'm just placing color right now. So I'm just going to place that color in that V. And don't worry about this, we could always clean it up. I'm just pressing that color there. That is so pretty. That shade is so pretty. I'm going to bring it in a little bit. So pretty, so pretty. Then I'm going to take another smaller brush and I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called Sage Advice, which is another pretty green shade. I'm going to put that in the center. That is so pretty. And then I'm going to lightly cut my crease. I'm just going to do it slightly just to have it, let's see, I don't think I have to clean it up too much because I don't care if that a little bit of undertone of that green you know, goes through. So I'm just going to pick up, this is the Hank & Henry Angelica flat concealer brush. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to take some ABH primer, and I'm going to cut my crease a little bit right here on the edge. So I'm going to place that and cut it. Not really worried about cleaning up those shades right there, because I don't care if a little bit of that shade bleeds through. Then I'm going to pick up the shade right here and called Enjoy the View. So it's one of the lightest shades in the palette. And I'm going to put that all where I just placed that primer at. And just tap it in. So pretty. I'm going to bring it up a little bit high like I always do, and kind of go right over that other color. And I'm just pressing color right now. That is so pretty. You can go back in if you want more dimension. I'm going to pick up this E201 brush from Sigma, and I'm going to use that darkest matte shade called Belief. And I'm going to go right over that line to maybe darken it up a little bit. I have to do it on the other side too. I like this pencil brush because it's not too hard, so you could easily take it and blend if you need to, as much as you want. So I'm just going over that color. And after that, I'm going to take that clean brush and I will just lightly dust right on top of these colors, just to have no harsh lines. Alright, so I'm going to go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm going to give you some up close of the finished eye look. I hope y'all enjoyed to see what it looks like. Alright guys, this is the end. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Show this girl some love. And until next time, y'all stay blessed.